Have you ever noticed tourists standing in front of this board for ages, not sure how to start buying a ticket at train stations in Tokyo or at Haneda Airport? Maybe you've been in that situation too? Well, in this video we've got you covered with all the info you need to smoothly navigate from Haneda Airport to downtown Tokyo. We'll talk about the main transportation options, which one should you take, and how to stop staring at this board feeling lost, so you can save some time. Let's get into it. So when you arrive at Haneda Airport on an international flight, chances are you'll be landing at Terminal 3. They've set it up so that everything you need is on the same floor. Once you've gone through customs, you'll spot a big information counter right at the front on your way out. Feel free to stop there and ask any questions you might have. All the transportation options are listed on the board right above. You've got three main choices: the Tokyo Monorail, Keikyu Railway, and Airport Bus. When you're facing the information counter, the Tokyo Monorail station is on your left and the Keikyu Electric Railway station is on your right. So, your next question might be, which way should I go? Left for the monorail or right for the Keikyu line? First off, you gotta know where you're headed. If you're heading to Shinagawa or any other spots along the Asakusa line, your best bet's the Keikyu Railway. It zips directly from Haneda Airport Terminal 3 station to Shinagawa station in just 11 minutes, and then stops at Shimbashi, Higashi Ginza, Nihonbashi, Asakusa, Oshiage, and more stations along the Tai Subway Asakusa line. Fares range from 330 to 610 yen. Plus, if your first stop after touching down at Haneda Airport is Yokohama, the Keikyu Railway can take you there directly too. If your stops include Shibuya, Shinjuku, Ueno, and Tokyo, congrats. You can pick any of them and then transfer to the JR Yamanote line to reach all those places. If you go with the Keikyu Railway, you'll need to switch at Shinagawa station to catch the JR Yamanote line. If you choose the monorail, it's about a 14-minute ride to Hamamatsucho station, then transfer to the JR Yamanote line. Now, you might wonder, what's the difference between the two and which one's better if I'm heading to Shibuya or Shinjuku? Well, it depends on whether you've got a JR pass. If you do, definitely go for the monorail since it's covered, no need for an extra ticket. Otherwise, personally, I'd still go for the monorail. Why? Because it's got more space for luggage and it's less packed than the Keikyu Electric Railway, especially during peak times to and from the airport. Plus, bonus points for the city views, harbor sites, and Rainbow Bridge on the way. Here's a cool trick to stop wasting your time staring at the Tokyo train map every time you transfer, or before buying a ticket, get yourself a Suica card. This card will save you tons of time. It's like a debit card. You load money onto it and use it to buy tickets and shop at loads of places, including convenience stores. So here's are the steps on how to get one.
Please select the desired charge amount. Please insert money or credit card. Now under process. Thank you. Please take everything with you.
There are two types of Suica cards, green and red. The red one, also known as the Welcome Suica card, is valid for 28 days with no deposit required. If you top up 2,000 yen, you can use the full amount for tickets and shopping. It's perfect for tourists who might not visit Japan again for another decade. But if you're a frequent visitor, go for the green one. It lasts for 10 years, but there's a 500 yen deposit. So if you top up 2,000 yen, you'll only be able to use 1,500 yen. With a Suica card, you can breeze through all the gates of different trains operated by various railway companies in Tokyo. It's super convenient, especially if you're lugging around heavy bags and need to transfer between lots of trains or subway lines. You won't have to waste minutes figuring out where your station is every time you buy a ticket. Plus, if you use a Suica card, the ticket fare will be a little cheaper than if you use a regular ticket. And hey, if you're interested in more ways to explore downtown Tokyo hassle-free, check out this video.